This is ZTE Axon 25G, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So first step is to find and open the Google Drive application. Then to your bottom right, tap at the plus icon, choose the scan option, grant Google Drive app with the camera access or permission, and then take a photo of the document that you wanted to scan. After the picture was successfully taken, you can look and check the result. If you're satisfied, proceed. If not, we take the photo. At the following interface, we can crop the image, because as you can see, it got automatically cropped and, well, poorly, if I say so myself. So let me quickly frame the part of the photo that I would like to be actually included into the final document. Crop off the watermark because I forgot to turn it off, but well, that's whatever. And in the end, you can also change the color scheme of your final file as well. If you're ready to save the result, tap at this check icon. Then at this point you can rename the document, or well, set a custom document title, as well as change the Google account and folder drive that this file will be saved to. Now hit the save button one last time, wait for your document to get uploaded to Drive, and well, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.